Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are currently on the road to a tractor show. It is 6 AM here at time of recording, and we've been on the road for about an hour so far, and we are headed to the Bloxham Steam Rally in Oxfordshire with a few of our machines. It's about an hour later now, and you can see we're starting to get some breaks in the cloud there. Some blue skies poking through, which is good. When we looked at the weather forecast before, it was meant to be 27-28 degrees Celsius today and tomorrow, with a decent amount of sunshine. So we'll have to, someone's not doing the speed limit, so we'll have to see how that goes. As long as it's not raining, we're happy, effectively. We're starting to get a few more cars on the road now than there were before, but we're not touching any motorways on this journey, unlike Newby Hall, where we were on a motorway for quite a while. So the roads are always going to be a bit quieter with the route that we're taking. However, we've got about an hour left now until we get to our destination, so we're just going to pootle along and come back to you in a bit. the van on our way back from Bloxham, and this is actually my second attempt at trying to do this bit of video because the sat-nav keeps interrupting me, so we'll see how we go. And sorry for the hat hair, but this is kind of what happens when you wear a hat for 2 days straight, I guess. And it was also interrupting us because there was a caravan or two broken down on the side of the road, which was unfortunate, but that was blocking half a lane on the left hand side, so that was why it was telling us about it. But overall, Bloxham was great. I'd highly recommend it to anyone that can make the trip to Oxfordshire. Classic cars, steam, military, horticultural, tractors, it had the lot, so I'd highly recommend it if you're visiting, or if you fancy exhibiting as well. So it is well worth a look for next year, and it was good to catch up with some people that we've seen before. Chris, Dave, it was nice to see you again, and also seeing new people that we'd messaged online but hadn't actually met in real life, such as Josh and Matthew. It was nice to see you, and many more people in the horticultural section, and some other people that we were talking to around the show site. Everyone was very friendly, and the evening entertainment for the one night that we stayed was great as well. So overall, great weekend that we've had. Now we've just got the relatively long drive on the way back, but since we're here and we've got 4.5 miles until the sat-nav interrupts me again, just a note on my upload schedule recently, or coming up, after this video there may be a couple of videos on the tractors that are currently in the back of the van. Now obviously you've seen those tractors running in this video, but the videos coming up will probably be getting them to that stage. So we've put this show video before those videos so that it doesn't come out too far after the show actually happens, so that it's still kind of relevant to the date when the show happened. So those videos are coming up just to kind of avoid the confusion of everyone thinking that we've re-stripped the tractors down again. We haven't. They were recorded a little while ago, and we kind of delayed them both for Newbie Hall and this show. So those will be coming out in the next few weeks, and we've got a few weeks until our next show, which will be Rural Pastimes, and I believe they have a working area, so you may well see some of our tractors put into action there. But we've got a decent few weeks to kind of sort everything out in the workshop. It's still a bit of a mess because we've had this one and Newbie Hall pretty much back to back, or back to back on our time scale with how little preparation we'd done. But yeah, that was a bit tight getting stuff ready, but we managed it in the end, so that was all good. So we'll now just kind of finish off this drive home. I think we've got just under 2 hours left now, so it's not too bad. But we will leave you here. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.